got some new wheels for the car and I don't like the colour of the wheels. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be refurbishing these wheels so we can get them looking tidy. So these are the new wheels I've purchased. I'm just cleaning the wheels with warm soapy water to make sure there's no dirt or grime left on the wheel. Clean this wheel and it's still dirty. This particular wheel has got a lot of brake dust all over. So I'm just making sure the tyres nicely sanded down with 400 grit front and back. You're just watching me lay the first coat of primer. This coat is always nice and light and not too heavy. As I lay the second coat on, you'll start to see most of the patches which were left from the first coat will start to disappear. I've allowed the primer to dry overnight. It's now nice and dry. When you lay the primer on, it basically dries a little bit rough. So what you want to do is you want to sand the primer down with 800 grit so it's nice and smooth. Otherwise, I found if this step is missed, you don't get as much of a glossy finish. Let's get into it. Tyre's been sanded down. Just throwing on the first coat of gloss black. This coat is always nice and light. After putting on the final coat of paint, I left it 1 hour to allow the paint to dry before putting on the clear. This coat is always nice and light. You don't want it too heavy because if you put too much on, it will run. Just laying on the final coat of clear. This coat is a bit heavier. Have a look at that sun, guys. Have a look at that. We've given it a little clean with the compound. It's beautiful. It's looking very nice. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all the plastic and then we'll get it on the car. This is unfortunately the end of this video. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and I will see you when the next video arrives.